to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a Snapchat application on a device and make sure to log into your account. Once you are on the camera section of Snapchat, tap on the arrow at right side of your screen. Then a list of different features will be available on your Snapchat. You need to select tone button. Here, you need to toggle on the button to turn on the tone option. And simply, the tone has already been appeared or been activated on your Snapchat. Activating the tone option will improve your image quality by improving the snap by fixing the exposure issues. So what you can do is simply you can adjust the amount of tone you would like to in your snap, and by that now you can easily click any snap and then it will be of high quality. So in this way you can easily upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.